John Chris. And I'm a breadwinner in the family. That's why. Come on, guys. I have 1 hour to get that. To get that 5.9, 5.950. 5.6. I'm old. I'm in 30. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car or a pop shop. On a day like pretty little baby. GCIJS, hello. My God. I'm just trying to get the first box. That's why I'm still broadcast. Busy. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me in the car, or at the pop shop. Meet me in the moonlight, or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Pretty little baby, I said pretty little baby. Show your charming. George Reyes. Okay. Mike. Leto. I'm a top 2 in a hit list. And why I am top 2? Sorry to say it, but you're Yes, hello. Cause no one don't understand just how Valentine. No one else can. Hello. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy. My feet, it's not good because I'm working in farm. When I was a child, I'm going in the farm with my mom to put, the rice plant, like that, in the sun, in the down of the sun. It's so hot, very hot there, in the farm, to fulfill my schooling that time. Yeah, I experienced farm to get money. It's like 2004. 2004. Yeah, because I'm schooling that time. And the life is so hard that time. Misu, I hope you're gonna win. I hope you're gonna win 10K. He lost. 10, 5. Oh, he lost. He not win. Yeah, that's right. Farming. When I was a child, I go with my mother. Before we have an own farm, but my father got stroke, so sell. We need to sell our what you call that, the land of the farm. Yeah, and we have 2 Carabaos that time. 2 Carabaos. Hi, ID number. Hello. Thank you for tapping. And he got, yeah. My father is 2 times getting stroke. So that's why their half body is, what you call that, not moving. Yeah. So that's why I'm still working that half body. I think it's the the right side or the left. Wait, the left side. The left side and the heart. That's why they not what you call that? It's hard to It's hard to it's hard to explain. They didn't continue after that. Yeah, that's why. That's why I'm still alive. Because, you asking me why I'm still broadcasting. So that's why, to get money from your gift. To get money, that's why. And to save money, like that. But you are only watching me and saying, down, down, down. Can I see? Can I see? Can you make me my heart? Can you make my, I know what you call that? My wife? Can you call me? Can I get your number? So many, many. And I'm not occupied that you all guys. You can call me a proper friend. Yeah, that's why. She needs to take care of it. Yeah. But we need to be happy we need to be happy every day, because we know that life it's hard. It's hard. Life it's hard, but even the life is hard. Even the life is hard. always happy. Always be happy. And don't let other people that judge what lives what lives you have. So that's why I'm still always live. I'm always broadcasting because, you know, I am poor. I am, what you call that? Coming to the poor family. And I'm working so hard. That's why, mm, nothing. I don't want to cry. Yeah, right. You need to be happy every day. 11:20 na guys. It's 11:20 p.m. here. Yeah, because you know, there always someone there always someone say that always be happy. So, marry me, marry me. Hmm. I think I can get the ano na. I think I can get na. I can't. It's alright. It's okay. Daniki, hello. Ah, Abby, give, give me Marie. No, he gave me a lot. He gave me a lot. John Chris gave me a lot. Yeah, he gave me a lot. Daddy, hello. 89, hello 89. Thank you. Thank you for that bell. 89. You're here na, 89. Where have you been, 89? Wait, let me think. I think I forgot you na, 89. He's gone. He disappeared like a wind. Guys, let's go. 6K guys. 6K is a lot, I know. If we not if we not get that, it's okay. It's more days to come. The things that we can do to now is pray. We need to pray to have an angel that gave me 6K to get my first box. So I can rest na. You know what guys? It's so hard to dance here, to make happy guys, to make your happy guys, and to send your gift. No, for me, it's not hard. For me, it's a challenge every day because no work, it's easy. Okay? No work, it's easy to get money. But if I have stopped the Bigo, I think I want to have a business. I have my, I have my, I have dream business. I want to have a burger shop. I want to franchise. That's if I got that, I will stop Bigo na because I have my own business. I will stop Bigo. I will have new life. I will not dancing. I will not send the surprise. I'll stop it because I have my man. I have my own na. I own business na. But it's a dream. And, you know, that's a dream. It's a dream. I have so many dreams. And dreams is a free dreams. It's a free to dreams. It's 11:30 na, guys. It's 11:30. I think I can get the 6K na. So sad. And I'm still top 3. I'm a top 3 Philippines in a hit list. And I don't know why. Even at no sending gift. I will see that later because I'm live. I will not see the gift that you send. He didn't know sending gifts. Oh yeah, top 2 pala. Top 2. I think you can show something because it's already. Ano daw, love? I didn't know it come true. Yeah, top 2 hit list. Guys, let's go. Do you have 6K? Mm, my stomach. It's gonna be royal. Gonna be a plus. They're the same for us. The thinking of us. You're gonna be ruler. You could call me Queen Bee. Master Dominus. I think Ace's gonna help me. Right? Aces? I think Aces gonna help me. He gave me six Astra Love. Ace, can you cheer for Aces? For my baby Aces. Baby Aces, let's go. Can you cheer? Can you please cheer Aces? Guys, let's go.